Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You
guys, this is the finished look of this makeup tutorial or this eyeshadow look. At first I was a little bit confused on how I really wanted this makeup look to come out, but at the end of the day I really like the outcome. The purple is perfect for this season. And yeah, I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you like this makeup tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you have watched this far, and come back to check on me every week. I try to upload at least one video a week, and share with your friends and family if you're a makeup lover or you're just somebody who just like to play with makeup just like me. So I'm going to let you guys go, and I will see you guys on my next